Why do we choose Fronius as our number one inverter? Fronius is designed and built in Europe, combining decades of engineering with the power of the sun. Fronius started out fixing and improving everyday electrical equipment long before solar was on anybody's radar. From a small Austrian repair shop in the 1940s to one of the world's solar pioneers today. By the 1990s, they saw solar as the technology of the future and began developing inverters to turn sunlight into clean, usable power. Fast forward to today, and Fronius inverters are trusted on rooftops all over the world, including right here with our ESolar installs. We choose brands that are engineered to run for many years in real-world heat, cold and humidity. That means fewer headaches for you over the life of your system. If something isn't right, we want to know quickly. Fronius has reliable online monitoring and good local support, which means we can spot issues early and get you back on track faster. Another reason we love Fronius as a brand is how naturally their inverters work with batteries. With hybrid models such as the Fronius Gen 24 Plus, battery integration is built in from the start, which means fewer extra boxes on the wall, cleaner installations, and less energy wasted in conversions. That seamless path from solar today to full solar and battery tomorrow is a big part of why we're so confident recommending Fronius. Our installers like working with Fronius because the hardware is well laid out, the software is sensible, and the support is responsive. We want your inverter brand to still be around if you need support in 5, 10 or 15 years. Fronius has been in power electronics for decades, which gives us confidence that they're in it for the long haul. Send us your address and we'll show you how a Fronius-based system would look on your roof.